Hello, my name is Jitsi Scheduling. I'm going to show you how we can use the online video conferencing tool called Jitsi. First, we have to go to the website of Jitsi, jitsi.org, jitsi.org, and we have to start a meeting by clicking here. We will be led to directed to this website, and here you will schedule. You will type here the name of the meeting. For example, meeting uh, with group 4, for example, group 4, and we go. You will be directed to this page, and here you can have some tools here. You have some features like to share the screen, to raise your hand. This is how to open and close the chat. This is the mic. You can mute or unmute. And here you can leave the meeting. Here you can stop the camera or start the. You can stop now because the camera is on. You can stop like this. So now we have at our right a toggle a toggle tile view here, and here we have another icon for the information. You can share the link or then the info for this message. We have another icon here for more actions, where we have, for example, you can manage the video quality. Here. You see, you have the quality for low bandwidth, the low definition, up to the high definition. And here you have another one. If you want to stream, to live stream, if, for example, you have it's like you have a conference or online workshop. If you have, for example, a big mass of people, you can live streaming your meeting here. You can start recording your meeting here. You can share any video that you have on YouTube, and you can blur the background here. And here we have also the settings. This is the settings for the devices you have. And for example, you have if you have many cameras, you can choose a camera the camera that you want to use. And here for the microphones, sometimes we have different or separated separate microphones, and you can also set up the audio output. Yeah, for the profile, you can set up. You can write down your name, and here you can also enter the email. You can schedule. Here we have a calendar here, and we have more actions inside where we have the settings for moderators, and here we have to choose the language to use. This is how I can show you the features we have in Jitsi. And once you want to leave the meeting, you will click here, and I thank you very much. Bye bye.